OMTEC to me is really a one-stop shop. Every year that I go, I learn something different.
There's no other one single place or event that I feel like I can go to and get that kind of value.
The networking, it's almost like a family affair. You go, you meet and greet your existing supply base that you've been dealing with throughout the years, and you get to embrace and meet new supply base that you're wanting to do new business with.
It's like homecoming.
The amount of relationships that I've built throughout the years of attending OMTEC have just been phenomenal.
The more relationships I can create and foster, that's going to continue to enhance my career. And that in turn will benefit our organization. This to me is an absolute no-brainer. I don't think there's a better investment.
I've never had a need to go anywhere else. It's an opportunity for people like myself and quality and product development engineers just to go out and explore and see what's out there.